Are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, in this video I will show you now how to unzip file folder on your Android or iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. On Android, I'm using Chrome browser. You can as well use Chrome browser on your iPhone. Having opened up your browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to search Google or type. So click on here now and type in unzip to file, hit enter. Then scroll down right here, click on the first result right here, file to zip. So click on it. It's going to take you to the official website of this particular page right here. Files to zip.com. That's the correct official website address. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And if you are going to unzip file, click on select file. If you are going to unzip folder, click on select folder right here. So in this tutorial, we're going to click on select files. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on photos and video. The next thing you want to do, under your download folder, if you cannot find your download folder right here, click on this three slider. Make sure you click on download folder. And under the download folder, look for your zip file. So here we go. You can see my zip file right here. I'm going to select on it. Having select on it, allow it to upload successfully, and then go ahead and click on here to download your folder after unzip. So click on it. Successful download. Go ahead and hit on open. And here we go. You can see the zip file right here, and you can see the unzip right here. It's that simple. So this is how to unzip your file folder in Android or iPhone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.